All right, off to the Goodwill. See what we can find. Hopefully some good stuff. Thanks so much. I appreciate it. Oh, where are you going? Off to the shoes. Oh, what are those? Don't know what that brand is. Sweater weather. Those are cute.
Look good and feel good about the positive impact you're making.
Oh, look.
What you see? What you got already? We just walked in the door. Oh my gosh. We'll see him later.
Gotcha.
Let's go shopping. Oh, what's that? Oh, I thought that was Princess Di. Oh, it is Princess Di. Okay. Hers fancy. Hers a fancy lady. Oh, Christmas? What is this? Mr. Christmas? Animated kicking legs? That's kind of cool if he like kicks his legs back and forth.
That's funny.
Oh my gosh.
I wonder if it works.
What is this? A battery operated? 16 inches. Let's see. Is it inside?
Sure is.
Oh.
There's something going on in here.
Cute. There's a little. Here's a pole.
Yeah, I guess you wrap it around whatever.
Oh. Okay. Does it look like it's in
Let me see what the battery compartment looks like.
decent shape? I've never seen one of these before. Have you?
Mm-mm.
Uh-oh.
It wants to come off. There you go. It's not all chewed up. Looks good.
Well, how much was it?
$4.99.
$4.99. Wonder what color the day is. But yeah, take a chance. Well, let me see if it's worth picking up.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, we just looked it up, and there's 6 listed on eBay right now, and none sold. And the lowest one listed was $16.99 plus shipping. So we're gonna pass.
Yeah, pass.
Just because there's none sold.
But it's cool.
It is cool. If that was like our decor, something cute like that, I would totally get it for our house. All right, let's see what else we can find. We're gonna go to the Goodwill. There's a fire over there. We're gonna go to the Goodwill outlet and see what we can find.
A fire sale.
Yeah, it's a fire sale. Check it out. There it is.
Like, this is serious.
I know, I'm being serious. Let's go see what we can find. Off we go. It's quiet today. Well, kind of quiet. So many faces we recognize. It's loud music. Not too bad. What's this guy? Whoa!
We'll see you in a week.
That's true. We'll see him at the auction. All right, let's see what we can find. We'll go to the clothes. Walked right across it.
I didn't see you.
What you got there?
Some Skechers.
Skechers?
They wouldn't fit me.
No. New bins coming out. See what we can find.
Wait, hands up.
What's that black bag right there?
All good.
get the pink crate. It's cute.
You need a bucket?
Do you need a bucket?
You always use a bucket.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's pretty scarce.
What's up? What in the world is that? It's like a frother.
It kind of looks like a vintage one, doesn't it? What is it right here? It says, "You want a piece of me?" That's what it says. So random. What's that? Feel it's so cold. Do not place in boiling water. Feel how cold that is. It's kind of crazy. That's it. I can't believe that was all that was in there. That's it,
Ready?
babe. Yeah, I think so. All right, we're out of here. We didn't find anything. Not a single thing.
Nope. There's a couple things I would have got if we would have seen more.
Right. That's it. Saturdays normally, well, we don't normally come anymore. But when we used to come, Saturday was like not, yeah. It just wasn't the best day of the week to come.
Yeah.
All right. Maybe we can see some more yard sales. Find some more yard sales.
Find out.
Alrighty.
All about it.
Yeah. All kinds of driftwood stuff.
What?
Driftwood, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You need some more? Oh, that's for the beach. I thought they were paddle. What do you call them?
Hey, buddy.
Ping pong.
Morning.
Oh, there's a dog.
Yes, there is.
Hello. How are ya? Here's some Blu-rays. $3.
Look at that.
What? What is it? Stop it. Did we just buy these yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It's hilarious.
That is, well, how much did you pay?
Like $10 piece.
That's so funny though. You know, oh look, here's a, what's it missing right here? Those
I don't
always
know.
do well. It's like a handle. It looks like it's missing a handle.
This is the handle right here.
Huh.
This is really my
These always do well.
and then I can give it to the lady who just
It's up to you.
I don't know.
It's
Maybe you
really
take a look
good.
at it. You let me know.
It does work. I don't think they could let you buy it if it didn't work any.
How much are your Pelican boxes?
Well, either one is
shiny.
40 and one is 50.
You need this inside
Yes.
This work?
Oh, yeah.
I assume it does.
I mean, I could plug it in. You can see the whole thing. It's,
Can I plug it in?
Sure.
Just hear it buzz a little bit. I mean, it looks good too.
Sure is.
She's so good, sometimes I forget he's there, and then he squeals. And
It's one of those things.
You know where that's been sitting? Right on that top shelf by my work. And the reason being, I have a different one.
I was gonna say
that's
priorities
in my
need more room
truck.
for
It's
boots.
a smaller
Right.
one.
Just for emergency, but I have realistically my neighbor's lawnmower, my lawnmower, to charge it back up and stuff. That thing works fantastic. I just don't need two of them, and I'm trying
Right.
to clean.
Trash bag.
I'm holding these for that lady.
You take 8 for
She's
it?
got her hands full.
I wish I could. I mean, realistically, it hasn't really been used except for that.
You want to get it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
Now
we'll
you
do it.
cannot. You can't electrocute your wife.
Oh,
Oh, jeez.
that's it. Never mind. There you go.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
Oh, yeah.
We'll give it a good
Oh,
home.
Don't sell these two bags. I'm holding these.
Thanks, guys.
Oh,
Thanks.
Thank you.
Good luck today.
Great job.
I'll let you get your money out. Come on up here. One sleeping bag is his bag.
Did you?
Do you have 50 cents?
Huh?
Do you have 50 cents?
Yeah. Why?
Oh, it's bad.
It's bent.
I wonder if I can.
Straighten it.
This is nice.
Okay. I got 50 cents. I took change. What about those like toe hitch things? 50 cents?
I mean,
No. Take it.
Oh yeah.
Are you ready to?
move it. What else you got over here?
Look at all these screws. Did you see all these screws? They're
I
all
don't like those special head ones.
okay. These are
Well, I'll hold the bag.
Yeah, that would be
Ooh.
what's that for paint
Oh my gosh.
mixing?
Well, because you have a hand-me-down boy helmet right
Oh
now.
no! Oh,
There's
this
no
is so
price on them.
great. Congratulations!
Because we just started riding her bike, so we really need the helmet.
Hey, do you need these for the property?
Nah.
Okay.
This is your wallet. No, that
I'll
was
take
her
this
money
too.
from her birthday.
50 cents? Here,
Tell them
someone.
what
Oh,
you've got.
oh,
You've
oh.
got boots and a sleeping bag.
Here's the other one. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Today we got what is that? A Schumacher
Schumacher. It's a charger, battery charger,
battery charger.
and it works.
Yeah,
Tested.
it looks really good.
Yeah. It's just some dust here, but the bottom looks really clean. Well, whatever. Unscratched.
Yeah,
We'll say
unscratched.
that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty good. Then what else did you get?
I got this angle finder, or I guess
Oh.
T-bevel they call it. But
You got it for personal use?
I don't know. We'll
Oh,
look it up.
but 50 cents
'Cause
for
usually
that.
they're cheap plastic ones, you know.
Oh, I thought we had one of those.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, gotcha. Oh, good morning. Oh,
How you doing?
Fine, how are y'all?
All right.
pretty good. Wow. We're just a little late on that one.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Oh,
So cute. Look at that.
But
It's cute. Oh my gosh. What is that?
It's like some garden.
I know what.
All the good ones.
Yeah, the dress is $1. Okay.
Slide behind the screen.
Looking for some. Oh, Santana, Black Sabbath. Bon Jovi.
I rescued their animated.
Oh, cool.
They came from Cracker Barrel.
Got it.
Okay, all right, yeah. Oh, and the puzzles are 50 cents.
Oh, what's
So it came
that?
from Cracker Barrel. It's animated.
Oh yeah.
And then this right here.
There's a box over here.
Hello.
What? I'm
This right
sorry.
here.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh wow. Yeah, let's hold on to those.
We'll see how much they are first.
Okay. Well, is this your sale? Oh, I guess not.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, okay. Guess you just didn't hear me.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right, you got it. Those are cute. We'll have to look too. You wanna go out there?
Yeah.
Oh, I see some vintage over here too.
Everywhere. Everywhere.
What do you have on these?
They were like, I'll sell them both for $5.
Right. Well,
Take 5 for both? Okay.
yeah.
Cool.
Sounds good.
Excuse me. Sorry.
How much are your towels?
Sorry. Oh, look at these. Oh my gosh. This is the
Is this all
cutest.
part of the sale right here?
Yes. I think this lady wanted me to.
Yes.
Yes.
All right, there we go. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Look at these. What are
She
those?
said $5 for that.
Okay.
I'm not even gonna say.
Okay, that's fine.
I mean, I have $10. So
You can take these back. So put them back down on the table and I'm
This is so cute. Oh my gosh.
well, I mean,
How much for the Borscht?
I'll take 50 for it.
50?
They're 400 new.
Yeah, I figured.
I'm a retired auto tech.
Yeah.
I retired a couple of
Figured
years
that
ago.
too.
And I've just got so much stuff. I got a 8-foot Maximizer 2 and an 8-foot long Maximizer 2 back there. It's just full of tools. And I'm
Wow.
just selling off a little bit of miscellaneous stuff.
That's cool.
These are funny. That's so cute.
I bought those things about 6-7 years ago at
Cracker Barrel, yeah, that's what she said. That's cool.
Some California
Can't have too many
Well, it was
decorations.
funny because when I bought this,
Oh my god, they're still in the
lady said we're
package
not
from
supposed to sell
parties.
I said, why not? She said some older ladies came in and complained because of the music that it played and they were going to pull it off the shelf. I
Oh,
said,
jeez.
well, this one's still on the shelf. Can I take it? They went ahead and sold it to me.
Looks like what's it playing? Can't remember.
It's Super Free.
Oh,
What's
got it.
this? Oh,
Super Freak.
starters. That's cool.
What else you got? Did you look at all the Christmas stuff?
I think so. Yes, that's cool. Huh. How much is that?
I give up. That's my wife's.
Oh.
Karen, what do you want for your Redskin thing?
Where?
This thing.
This one right here.
Oh, yeah, I just brought that up to show somebody. I don't know, man.
Oh,
It does have stains.
Yeah.
On it, you may
Well-
not want it.
well,
I'd say $5. I mean, the decals on there.
Yeah.
$5.
yeah, I'll do that. I'll take a chance. What about these?
Oh, aren't they cute?
They are.
And here's another one.
Oh, I
Could
didn't
go
even
in
see
there,
that.
Yeah. Those were $5 for the whole bag.
Okay.
All of them.
Oops, sounds
So
good.
10 for everything.
Okay, sounds good.
You want a
And
bag? I've got a bag.
We're still looking. We have a little. We have these
Oh, I
too.
see. I got you. Okay.
Maybe we can. Well, we don't want anybody to.
Here.
Oh, you got it. Oh, we'll stick it all in there.
Put
Sounds
it all
good.
down in there.
Perfect.
So that's 5.
Okay.
That's 5. This is 5.
Oh, well, you want to keep looking?
Well, 5 and 5. Isn't
Okay.
Isn't that what I said? 5 and 5. So that would be 10 total.
Okay. Well, what else?
That's a
Oh,
the headlamp hammer.
headlamp hammer. What's that mean?
I know. They're really nice plates. That's why, I hate to use
You know,
this
to
stuff away.
realign your headlamps.
Oh,
Like you can
oh.
get
And the
dinged
knives
on your
too.
inspection for that.
Did you
mine's
look
like
up?
$5.
How much is it?
Why? Not the brand. We're ready to settle up too.
Okay. All right.
So we're gonna get all this.
Yeah.
Your husband said $10 for that.
Okay. 10 for that.
This was 5 for these,
These were 5 apiece, right?
and that
Or
was 10.
10.
So
Right.
25.
So, yes. Oh, perfect. I love that.
Yeah.
No change.
No change.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How much is
Thank you.
$5, and it works fine. We can plug it in if you like.
Okay.
It like.
You got that?
Yep.
Okay.
All right. Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Yeah, thank
right.
you.
On that.
Woohoo! Nice little stop.
Getting our little auto part
I know.
tools today.
What was this? We'll go over this one. What was this one?
This was a headlamp aimer.
A hobby.
Yeah, Hoppy.
Yeah,
So
and
it's just in time.
I know. And we looked it up. It's 100% sell-through,
100%
and
sell-through.
like the lowest end was $100.
Yeah.
So
So we got
that's
it for 10.
we got that for 10. Yeah. And then these are Cracker Barrel pieces, which is kind of cool. This one needs batteries, but he's cute. A little dancing mummy. He was $250.
$250 a piece.
And then this rocking sock monkeys animated. This one didn't seem to work. Like he
Shake.
worked, but he didn't shake. But maybe it's because the batteries were low.
Could be.
Not sure, but it was worth the risk. And I got all these California raisins. Well, some of them are still in the packages, and I paid $5 for those. It might have been. It's just a risk. I don't know. And then this Redskins. I guess it's like it's not a jersey, but whatever. It's like a button. Yeah, but it's got some stains. I am willing to take a risk and see what we can do with it. If not, I'm sure someone can do something with it. And that was $5. So hopefully it's worth like $999.
Yeah, right.
I'm gonna put the comp on the screen. All right.